Hello, good day guys. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to cut a section of one image and adding it to another image in Photoshop 23. Here we have an image of a truck with white background. We are going to cut away the truck from this image and add it to another image with colored background. Here is a colored background. So let's do this. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Our first step is to go to our object selection tool here. Then select our object. Or we could use our select subject option here. Let's select subject and our object has been selected. Also, for more refinement of our selection, let's check sample all layers and hard edge. Now let's cut this image using Ctrl X or going to our edit button. Cut. Now let's go to our other image with our new background and paste. And there we have it. Now let's export this file to our computer. Go to File, Export As, and Export. And that's it on how to cut image from one photo and adding it to another using Photoshop. Thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Bye.